Have you seen 70mi's latest flagship 4K dashcam? Well, it's not just any dashcam. It's equipped with Sony's advanced Starvis technology, ensuring extreme clarity. Now, 70mi was kind enough to sponsor this video, so let's get right into the details. And speaking of details, they spared no expense when it came to the quality of this packaging, as you can see. Inside the box, you'll find not one, but two cameras, front and rear, along with all the necessary cords and some handy accessories. Now, once you get it plugged in, you'll be prompted to download the app. Here you can access a ton of settings and functions. On the dashcam's monitor screen, you can also view all the functions and settings, as well as view your footage. Okay, let's talk installation. It's actually surprisingly easy. You just take this clear, sticky strip, attach it to your windshield, and push out any air bubbles. Then, to mount the camera, you just peel off this sticky backing, and then place it right onto this strip inside of these dotted lines. Now, you can route these wires in whatever way that makes sense for your vehicle, but we just tuck the wires along the trim out of sight using this handy tool. Then, it's as simple as plugging it into the cigarette lighter, and there we go. Oh, and as you can see, the rear camera installation follows the same straightforward process. Now, for those who want a more permanent solution, there's also an optional hardwire kit. It's pretty straightforward too, and a great option for a more clean look. Now, this dashcam isn't just for recording your drives. It also has great night owl vision, a built-in GPS for route tracking, and 24-hour AI parking surveillance that activates to protect your car when you're not around. And plus, it also has time-lapse recording and loop recording. You'll never miss a thing. So if you're shopping around for a high-quality dashcam, definitely check out 70mi's latest 4K HDR dashcam.